Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. So behind me you can see beautiful, look at this, bottle gourd. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest them, but I'm gonna show you guys a quick tour right now in the garden. It's windy, chilly day today in New York, guys. It's not much going on, but I'm gonna harvest some bottle gourd. I got a swan gourd, and I'll show you how stuff looking right now in a fall garden in Long Island, New York, guys. And just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's been watching and supporting my channel. I do appreciate it, guys. And if you're new, please subscribe. It's 100% free. So right here, guys, basically I got some beetroot here right over there. Still got some eggplant and tomatoes hanging in there, carrots coming up in containers. It's a greenhouse, stuff I'm keeping for next year. I'll make a video for you guys coming up showing you what you should keep, what you should do, how to prep up your fall garden. It's windy right now, sorry about the wind, guys. I did have a this right here is kale. The plant got attached to that, so I'm gonna try to see if it survives. A lot of the bugs has been eating out all the stuff. Do have tomatoes still coming around here. See that? Right there. Got a bunch of tomatoes there. And I do have another bottle gourd. This guy, I just give him stuff to eat, guys. And so basically most of the stuff is dying out. The only thing that's hanging on right now are these guys. So these guys are the bottle gourd right now. This one I'm gonna harvest. This I could leave for one more day, but I might harvest this one. So once I harvest it, the plant will use more energy into the smaller one. And as you guys can see, I got more up there too. And this is the other plants I'm coming around. I got some speckled bottle gourd plant here. I'm not sure if that's gonna make it, but I do have some tomato plants here. And this tomato plant, you guys could see, I have a swan gourd right there, and I'm gonna harvest him. He's ready. So now I'm trying to do a quick stuff to show you guys. So right here we have the mustard green. You can see the leaves are coming in there, looking beautiful. Hopefully, you know, it's been hard battling with the bugs, man. The bugs has been coming in. I'm telling you, even like in the wind, like fall weather right now, the bugs will come in, like, and they'll just keep eating. Like, they literally eat it all. No matter what I do, I spray soap water, I put what do you call it, coffee ground. The other day I'm gonna sprinkle some cayenne pepper, ground cayenne pepper around too, because they literally has been eating up all my bok choy, and they're really not happy about this. You know, I'm a big fan of bok choy, so I'm gonna try to see if I could plant some in the greenhouse. Maybe I still have time. I try to walk around the go around to see what is eating it, but it's really hard to tell. They look like they took a little bite, but that has a little bit more like spicier kick on this mustard green. The leaf has a little bit more kick to it, so maybe they don't like that. So that's one thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna harvest this guy too. Come right here and just cut him out. It's like hanging on, holding on in this tomato plant. Got himself stuck in here. Like, so this is a beautiful speckled swan gourd. I'm gonna put him right here, and you guys could see basically not much right now left back in the outdoor garden. And this is another bottle gourd ready to come and harvest him. So I'm gonna give my neighbor some, and my pet pig Pepper is gonna be enjoying the rest. Yeah. So these guys right here, I literally had to tie it upward because they're really heavy. Look at this, beautiful, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this out too. Not bad. So right now, guys, in the fall time, I'm really grateful to get harvest from my outdoor garden because it's been really chilly. My kale plant, the bugs has been eating out all the kale plant. The tomato plant has been going still good. They're doing really well. The bottle gourd, speckled gourd, they're really doing good. You can see my mustard green is doing good. My spinach wasn't doing that good because I had 3 spinach plants and basically 2 of them were eating out. So I brought that inside of the greenhouse, and that's doing okay right now. Most of the stuff outdoor is basically, you know, dying. This morning was frost on the grass and stuff. So what to do if you have an outdoor garden and you have some plants still growing, keep harvesting and keep pruning and harvest. The more you prune, the more the plant is just going to push through energy towards the fruit, so it could grow faster and you could get a faster harvest before this place gets really, really cold. So I'm really excited to get a harvest still from the outdoor garden. My pet pig and my neighbor down the block, I'm gonna give him one of these. My pet pig Pepper, I'm gonna cut this up for the couple days. It takes a couple days and he eat it all out. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's 100% free.